Well, good morning. We got some things. Come on. All right. Come on. Okay. Well, we'll start with this thing first. Oh, that's steel base. I don't know. Oh, it's heavy. Well, I'm hoping that today is as good as last video. If you're new and didn't see that video, that was a I think we had about 15 feet up there, give or take. Maybe today will be the same, we'll see, but we're gonna get out. It's early, see what's all out there, maybe get a good load, so stay tuned. What do we have here? Oh, I see extension cables in the vacuum, but I'm more interested in the toolbox, the goodies that may come in this thing. Coil pack, we'll take that for sure, right? Do you even work? Oh yeah, no you don't. Okay, well, maybe you won't be all in the bed of the truck by the end of the day. We'll see. Take that. Propane cylinder. Oh. That's gotta go back there for now. I probably just made everybody dizzy with my little roundabout J right there. The straps. That's froze up on me. Okay, well darn. A little cord in there. Other than that, that's about it. Get in the bag. Get in the bag, man. Vacuum cleaner. Don't need you. Don't need you. Don't need you. And put it in the bag. In the bag. In the bag. Zip it up. And we'll take our cords. Okay. Well, we got some stuff for the back. Continue this rodeo. I think we seen some goodies. Oh yeah, we definitely seen some goodies, didn't we? Well, it's already ripped out of everything, but we'll take the shells. And I thought I was getting lucky. And they did leave that drive in there. That's actually not a bad drive. Ooh, should just pop out. Come on. Okay, we win. It's actually a pretty decent board in there. And last but not least, the pieces of vacuum. What else we got? Boxes. Lots and lots of boxes. Okay, well, take the little pieces. All right, well, we got a few of these metal things again, and I mean, I think they added a pretty good bit of weight to the load. That goes out there for now. So we'll take what we can here, because I don't think it's as much as, you know, that last time we got. But about 8 foot there. Piece here. That's aluminum, aluminium thingies. We're getting started. Checking here. Nope. So she wrote plastic cap on it. Plastic cap. Check it. We are good. We are good. Another busted out chair. Going on to here. We haven't even really hit daylight yet. It's trying to though. It's trying to. We got a okay load so far. Well, I about drove right by them. I caught them at the last minute. Caught them at the last minute. Got more chairs. Score. Let's continue this rodeo. Still a little dark. Got more chairs though. I think they're the aluminum ones. Yep, super light. That'll work. Another one of these things. Look for the cord. Y'all see one? No, it's been cut. That'll do. We got us a grill. We didn't get one of them yesterday. Well, last video at all. So it's good to see. I like grills. Preferably like the heavier ones though. Preferably. But starting to get daylight, thank God. You know, the light only does so good really, and daylight, you know, the naturally provided what God gave us. That's better. Wasn't sure it was metal. Got out, knocked on it, and found out it was metal. So it's not super heavy. Like really it's not. I would like to put it in there. Like something like that. Something like that. Well, I'm gonna play with it a little bit longer. See what else is out there. Shoe rack, more little pieces, but I'm more interested to kind of see what's the shoes. What's that, American Chopper, I guess? Got a digital cluster. Some stuff there. Well, that's pretty cool. That's all brand new. I bet my wife would like that. Yeah, that's going with me. We got some weather coming through. I didn't even know it, to be honest. You know, I'm still kind of on vacation, my friends. But we got some weather coming through. I think it's soon. But so to all those that's having some weather issues right now, you know, you're in my prayers. Because supposedly it's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. Wow, what a mess. Wow. Get over there. Anything in there? Nope. What are you? Yeah, you're nothing. Alright, let's get our metals. Get our cords. Get our doohickeys. I mean, that's a motor. That can go. Definitely take that. I don't know about the shears. They can stay. That'd be 8. Little piece of metal. Little nuggets. All then go in the back. Don't want those back there. Right there would be good. And then some metal pieces. Start standing up right here. Shoe rack. Not the greatest of shoe racks. All right. Spend a little bit of time, get this cleaned up. Those are floor sweeps. Better. Got a finger pincher 10,000, maybe 2 of them. Just one. It's got the armrest and everything. It's got everything. I don't know about you, but I'm having a blast so far. Piece of wood. That's just yard trash. That works. All right. I guess it's just everyone trying to start spring cleaning and then they're breaking their wheelbarrows. I don't know. It's an empty box. So, unfortunately, let's see if I can get the wood in the trash can. There's an umbrella down there too. I'll tell you that. I'm finding a lot of wheelbarrows right now. A lot of wheelbarrows. Yeah, that's good enough. That's good enough. I mean, I'll take them. It's a good addition. Looking good. We're not 11 feet yet, but we're getting there. We got another one. It's the day of the vacuums. I think the most I found like one day's like, should I open it? I think the most I found one day is maybe 6 vacuums. So you know, we're on the way. I mean, I don't know, the one's not technically a vacuum, but and I know some people's gonna say, well, it's mainly plastic. I agree. My yard takes that, dishwashers, and what else is kind of crazy, take some other thing that's mainly, so hey, they take it, we'll pick it up. Not sure what we have here. Maybe stainless. I think it is going to be stainless. I think it's one of them shower curtain things. Yeah, okay. Truck's getting some stuff on it. What else? Anything else? No. Well, we'll take a little nugget here or there. It's starting to get a little warmer, so people don't need the heaters no more, or they just don't work. This is the Alert 3000. You know what I think is funny about these, right? So I live in Alabama, America, right? By law, they can't go over 1,500 watts on these, because that's just how it works. So this, if it takes 1,500 watts and you have one big one that takes 1,500 watts, they actually have close to the same heat output and normally a lot cheaper. Kind of an interesting thought process, but if you really think about it, if a heater says 1,500 watts and you have one the size of this truck bed, then you have a small one like that that says 1,500 watts. How much more heat are you going to really get? That's the question. Surface area, maybe? I don't know. Someone clearly made a mess over here, so we're gonna continue making a mess a little bit. See? Mess. And I want the faucet. Wow. We'll take the whole thing like that, yeah? It's a good idea. Like, I would never, if this was just sitting out here, I would try to take it apart, and if it didn't come apart, it didn't come apart. I wasn't, but They've already got a pretty good mess here, so. There's more here too. Brass ends. This is another sink. Little brass pieces. Be dirty like it is. Anything else? Well, nope. Gotta clean it anyway. It's all gotta be buttoned up anyway. Don't know if this whole thing is plastic. We'll see. We'll see the majority of it. It's metal. No, that's metal. That's metal. It's probably gonna have a metal frame run through it. Man, yeah, that's good enough. It is good enough. I hadn't added something back there in a minute, really. Not really. I guess I need to take a gander around real quick just to be sure. Yeah, no, that's good enough. That is good enough. We're on a kind of congested road right here, and I've seen this. Don't know what it is yet. Exhaust for something. That's heavy. I don't know, we're gonna make 2 trips nonetheless because that's heavier than it looks. I really do think my wife's gonna like that. Put that up there. Motorcycle exhaust system, emissions. I wonder if that's like a requires of 80 dBA for the following motorcycles. I guess it's Suzuki. I don't know, y'all tell me. I don't know a lot about the exhaust world, about lawn mowers, motorcycles, those kinds of deals. I just know that exhaust systems can be expensive. So this is the same thing. I guess I can look it up by that number, right? Anyway, let's get out of these people's way. Yeah. Got a hood. Still, nothing real heavy today. I mean, probably the heaviest thing we've got is maybe the wheelbarrow. But, I mean, what can you say, right? Well, we'll continue. High velocity drum fan. I seen a piece this time. Thought the last time it was, but nope. Nope. Still light metal. I guess it's a chair type of day. That's an anthill. I did not see it. They're light too. Darn. I was hoping we found some heavier ones, but these have definitely seen better days. So we'll give them a check just to be safe. Those are aluminum. That's not. Kinda strange. So the bottoms are steel, the tops are aluminum. Anyway, I got one more. We'll go grab it. If the tops are the only thing that's really aluminum, there's really not much there. Now this one, the whole thing may be aluminum, actually. Because it's light all the way around. No, it's steel too. Never mind. I don't know about these. These take up a lot of room for what they are. Not a lot of weight neither. We got room though. Looks like I got us a grill, a Weber. Looks identical to the one we had actually. Already. All right now. Lid off. I'm gonna have to take that chair off. Oh, that just fell apart. Well, that's why they threw it out. It's aluminum. Intriguing. Now I'm wondering if the other one was aluminum that I had. Probably. Oh. Maybe it didn't break. Don't know. Another scrap man right there, by the way. See? I wonder about the basketball goals. I never take them because I don't know if they're actually somebody's toy or not. But left a little dust out here. Fertilizer. Main road action. Weight bench. Body by Jake. It does things. All right, so I don't want you to pinch my fingers. I guess if I grab you right here, we should be good, yeah? Oh. Yeah, should hold. Let's go ahead and go in there like that. Sweet. Well, that kind of finishes the scrap day. We had okay. We did okay. I'm guessing hopefully 400 to 500. Yeah, so somewhere in that range would be awesome. Other than that, no, we did okay. We had fun. Made a little money. Done a little work. Got a little workout this morning. Stretched off. No, it's good. By the way, I want to say thank you to every single person that said happy anniversary. Y'all are awesome people. Thank you for the comments on what you think the next stage of where we're going as far as the combustion engine. You know, and it's all speculation, let's be honest, but it's fun to talk about. You know, it's fun to kind of see where everybody's mindset is and what they truthfully think's the next steps, and everybody's gonna be different. It's what's so great. But no, we're gonna head to the yard. We're gonna get all this stuff off of here and get a little bit of money this morning. So I'm hoping for 500. Be happy with 3. Sounds about right. We don't have nothing really heavy per se, except for maybe the wheelbarrow, a few vacuum cleaners, but nothing that's really screams heavy. Those chairs are super light. Those little pieces are super light. I wouldn't be surprised now. I think about 200 pounds. So I don't know. We'll see. But we're a few minutes out from the yard from currently where I'm at, and I'll bring y'all back hopefully when we get there. All right, we're here. He's about to grab it, slide it, and be done with it. I do like how they're going with this stuff. So I guess they're planning on pushing back a little further so that way they can get more people in. Not a bad idea. Let's finish this out. Well, that's all she wrote. Let's go see what it weighs.